Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for Bitcoin from 6th till 12th June. So let's begin. Here we can see Bitcoin making an descending triangle pattern. Just let me draw that. Some around like here. We have seen a fake breakout some around here, and the support would be some around here, and here. Now what I am expecting for the Bitcoin to do is to break this resistance zone, as there are fundamental news which are supporting my idea, which I will tell you in the last of the video. So here we can see a descending triangle. Here what I am expecting a breakout from this, or we can expect a downwards movement all the way towards the support zone. So when should we take a long position, or when should we go for in short? What would indicate is this trend line which I am drawing. A break through this trend line would indicate a sale position, and if the market retests this and taken the support of this trend line, thus a long position can be created. Let me draw the trend line in the zone, some around here till here. We can see in the past the Bitcoin has taken the support on the trend line and moved from there and tested the resistance, again tested the support zone, again tested the resistance. Moreover, we can see a divergence, which is an regular bearish divergence. The regular bearish divergence, as the market is making higher high. Simultaneously, the indicator should also make an higher high, whereas the indicator is making a lower low, which suggests that the market should or have been entered in an bearish movement, or the bearish movement can kick in the market. Here, thus a break through this support trend line which I have drawn, or the support zone, would indicate or trigger a sale position, and the take profit and the stop loss would be as shown. If we see a test and break through this, thus the take profit should be just placed below the recent highs, and the stop loss would be just placed below the support zone. This trade will provide a risk to reward of 1:2.26, and however, if the market didn't break this resistance and break off the support trend line, thus a sale position can be created when a stop loss just placed some around 10,048, and the take profit would be just around recent lows, some around here. Thus this trade will provide an risk to reward of 1:2.7. Moreover, we can see an ascending channel being formed in the Bitcoin. Let me draw that also. That will give a clear picture. From here till here. Here we can see that the Bitcoin is in a range bound territory. Let me draw that also in the zone. Here we can see that the Bitcoin is in range bound territory, taking the support, then tested the resistance, again taking the support, tested the resistance, and this has been continuing. Thus, if we take a long position, thus the take profit can be some around this resistance zone. Moreover, we can draw a horizontal support and resistance zone on the Bitcoin. Let me draw that. From here till here is the resistance, and the support would be some around here till here. Thus, if we see the Bitcoin does not or isn't able to break through this support zone, this resistance zone, thus a sale position can be created and with and take profit of some around this zone, which is around 6,800 in long term. The trade would be some around like this. Taken sale position, stop loss just placed above the resistance, and the take profit would be here. This trade will provide a risk to reward of 1:3. But keep in mind that this trade will be a long term trade. Moreover, we can draw an FIB channel on the Bitcoin, which also tell us that the Bitcoin should retrace towards the value towards the 16,000. Let me draw that. Here we go. Here's the mid. Here we have drawn an semicircle on the Bitcoin. Here we can see that the Bitcoin has taken the support. Here also the Bitcoin has taken the support. Here we have seen an false breakout. Here the Bitcoin has taken the support. So what I am expecting for the Bitcoin to do, is to retest this zone, and thus we can expect a rapid upside move from here after testing this resistance with testing the support, which is around 9,300. Thus we can see a rapid move. This is a long term target. Moreover, coming on in a smaller time frame on a 4 hourly chart, here we can see regular hidden divergence, which was also seen by us on the daily chart. Let me draw that. Here the market is making a higher high and the indicator is making a lower high here till here. And moreover, we can see an potential head and shoulder pattern being formed. Just let me show you. Here on an 4 hourly chart, we have seen an head and shoulder pattern being formed. Let me just draw that. That would be some around here, and our head would be some around here. Head would be drawn some around here. Thus here we can see an head and shoulder being formed from here till here, move 1. Then we have seen a small short term here, and then see an parabolic move upwards, making the head, then completing the head, and then making another shoulder from here. And now what we are expecting for the Bitcoin to do is to retest the zone, which is some around 8,000 and 8,800 till 8,600 in order to complete this head and shoulder pattern, as this is the nearest major resistance, major support being formed some around here till here. Let me make it prominent in red color here and here. So what we can expect the market for the Bitcoin to do is to rather not break out upwards, rather break out downwards. Now in the summary, what a trader should do right now, whether he should go long or short. So we are currently neutral on Bitcoin, as we are having two bullish technical patterns which are ascending triangle and an symmetrical triangle on a 1-day chart, and the bearish pattern being formed by the Bitcoin R4, which is Bitcoin testing the resistance. Second is semi Fib circle, thus expecting the Bitcoin to retest the support, then a regular hidden divergence on both 1-day chart and on an 4-hourly chart. And the fifth is head and shoulder being formed as shown, and which suggests that the market should test this support. We will currently wait for the market to whether break this resistance line which I am drawing, or this support zone. This is a critical point and we should wait for it. After breaking downwards or upwards, the take profit and the stop loss for upwards move would be as shown, and would be for the long position would be here on a retest. Take profit would be some around the recent highs. The stop loss would be just around just placed below the support zone. However, if we go for an sale position after the breakout of the market downwards the support zone, thus we can take an sale position within take profit below the major support, which is some around 8,800, and the stop loss would be just placed above the resistance line. So we are neutral on Bitcoin, and if you haven't watched my weekly forecast on the gold, do watch that. The link would be in the description. Thanks for watching. If you do like my analysis, do like, share and comment below, and do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.